Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, your host on Intellect Digest, and today I'm going to talk about how to delete your Instagram account within 1 minute. It's as easy as that. It generally is a bit tricky to delete the account, but we'll tell you a very quick shortcut. I'm showing you the longer way now, but I'll tell you the shortcut. For the longer way, you just have to click here on the three button icon, click on settings, go to help center. In help center, you have to locate an option here on top of the page which says manage your account or managing your account. You just hit here, and here you can see delete your account link, and here you have two options. You can disable it temporarily or permanently delete it. If you want to permanently delete it, go to the option number 2, and here in the step 1 you have to click this link. Here it will ask you to log in, and once you log in, it will show you a page something like this, where you have to first select a reason why you are deleting your account, and you can do it on the desktop as well as your phone. And once you select a reason, you have to enter your password and click on this button which says permanently delete my account. This is an Instagram official page. Now to make your job very easy, I'll quickly link to this page, this URL directly in the video description, so you can just click on this, go to your browser and do this within no time. You don't have to go through all the menu options. Just sign in on the Instagram and you can easily delete or disable your account temporarily if you want to. This is all we have on our quick video on deleting or disabling your Instagram account within a minute. How did you find this video? Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and if you find this helpful, do share it with your friends. Hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest video notifications. This is all we have on this one. Thanks for watching.